Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Pinnacle Financial Partners, more specifically how you can order checks for your Pinnacle Financial bank account. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. A check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else such as a bank statement that has your Pinnacle Financial Partners bank account number and routing number on it. The first thing you're going to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Pinnacle Financial Partners website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, PNFP.com. You can also check the description for the link to Pinnacle Financial Partners website. The first way to order checks is going to be by logging into your Pinnacle Financial bank account online. To do this, you're going to click on this blue bar towards the middle of the screen that says Log In. From there, that's going to bring you to here. Now you will select whether you're banking in Tennessee, the Carolinas, or Virginia, and then you'll enter your user ID and your password. Once you're logged in, you'll go to banking options and then order online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Pinnacle Financial Partners. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your Pinnacle Financial debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find this phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Pinnacle Financial website, but that can sometimes be a bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you. The third way to order checks is going to be through third-party vendor websites. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Pinnacle Financial Partners. I already have a tab open, and I've already typed in the search bar order replacement checks for Pinnacle Financial. What this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order checks. Websites such as Checks Unlimited and Bradford Exchange Checks, to name just a couple of examples. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Pinnacle Financial Partners account number and routing number. Unlike when you order from the Pinnacle Financial website or through the customer service, those numbers are not going to be automatically loaded, and so you'll have to enter them into the website yourself manually. And it's extremely important to make sure that you enter them 100% accurately. Otherwise, you could face things such as a bounced check due to an incorrect number. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I really hope that you found this video useful, and please make sure to check out the description for more information on Pinnacle Financial Partners.